Hi everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make crepes. Back there in Ghana, I grew up knowing this to be pancakes. However you call it, that's what we are making today. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a no-fail crepe recipe, okay? Let's get started. So these are all the ingredients you're going to be using. I have 2 cups of milk. This is room temperature. Milk, 2 cups. And I'm using whole milk. I'm also going to add a tablespoon of sugar and 3 eggs. With the sugar, if you're making a savory crepes, then you do not need to add the sugar. And I'm cracking the eggs one at a time just to make sure I'm not adding any rotten egg or any shell to my recipe, okay? That's why I'm doing it one at a time. And this is also 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Because we are using room temperature milk, everything is supposed to be melted. And I'm adding a teaspoon of vanilla extract. You can also use nutmeg. Back then in Ghana, we used to have nutmeg in it. And I'm sifting my all-purpose flour. I'm using 1.5 cups. And before that, I'm going to add a pinch of salt. So that's all the salt that I'm using, just a pinch. After you finish adding your salt, add your flour to your wet ingredients. And you can actually do this by hand, but I decided to go with a blender today to see how it goes. And my blender didn't do a good job, so if it happens to you, just use your spoon. You see on the sides, it wasn't blending. Use your spoon to mix it together. Don't blend anymore after 30 seconds. Use your spoon to do it like this and pour into a bowl. And then you can keep it for at least 30 minutes, but I am going for 2 hours. So after 2 hours, we are going to fry some pancakes. What do you say? So I just used a little bit of butter in my frying pan, and you don't need so much butter, so I just use paper towel to get some off. And then I'm using a 1/4 cup measuring cup, if you know what I mean, right, to scoop my butter into my pan. Now I twirl it around until the butter is flowing normal, and then you know when your butter is ready to flip, when the edges are pulling off the pan, then you know it's ready to flip. So I'll show you a couple of times and then we'll continue. Okay, we are about to eat. At this point, I want to say a big thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching my videos. And if you're new here, you are highly welcome. And I want you to hit that subscribe button now before you forget. And also tell your friends on your contact list to subscribe to Evelyn's Cooking Channel, okay? And thank you for all that you do, my friends and family. Another good thing about this recipe is that you can make it ahead of time, keep it in the refrigerator overnight, and then in the morning you have a batter ready to be fried. All that you need to do in the morning is to let the batter sit on the countertop for about 20 to 30 minutes. And then if it is still too thick for your liking, then add a couple of tablespoons of water. Just do it one at a time, like 1 tablespoon, and then stir until you reach your desired consistency and fry, okay? This is one good recipe. You're going to fry it over and over and over again. It's that good. And when you finish making your batter and you decide not to refrigerate it or let it sit at all, you can also do that and fry it right away, okay? It is that versatile, okay? But I think if you leave it for a couple of hours, then flavors are developed and then everything is well incorporated and you can enjoy it, okay? So do what you gotta do. Sometimes you don't have enough time on your hands, so just do it. I was going to run errands for 2 hours, so I kept it in the refrigerator for 2 hours. That doesn't mean you should also keep it there for 2 hours, but I'm just saying, okay? And when you're done frying, make sure you cover with a kitchen towel so they don't dry out. Now I'm gonna be showing you how we enjoy our crepes in the house, okay? I'm going to make a filling. So in this bowl, I have 4 ounces of cream cheese, I'm going to add a little bit of powdered sugar in there, just a little bit, and I'll mix and taste it and see if it is okay for me. I am also going to add lemon zest. So this is just lemon, and I grated the yellow part of it, not the pit, not the white part, because that one is better. So only the yellow part, and I'm adding it to my cream cheese, and the cream cheese is also at room temperature. Okay, so mix and taste it and see if it is okay. If it is not, adjust your sugar level. Okay, and then that one is ready. So I'm just going to spread some on the pancake or the crepes, and I'm going to top it up with some fruit, some strawberries, some sliced strawberries, and some blueberries. This is so yummy, guys, especially the cream cheese and the lemon zest. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to roll this one. You can roll it like this, or you can also fold, like I'll show you in the next one, like that, and enjoy. So with this one, just spread the cream cheese on 1/4 part of it, and then add your toppings, fold it in half and fold it in half again, and you have a triangle like this. This is so good for the kids because when you're eating, nothing is falling off and they love it. So I know you're going to enjoy it too. It's going to be one of your favorites. If you haven't tried it before, or if it is a long time since you tried it, please try it again. Do it again, and the kids are gonna love it. Thank you so much for watching. Please make yours and enjoy. I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.